Alrighty. Today's adventure is I'm in the garage because it's raining outside, but I still want to work. Is cutting old plasterboard sign to fit in the back of my bike so I can actually use my saddlebags. Well, technically panniers if we're being pedantic, but yeah, I have to dig my bike out first. Alright, I got my bike dug out. So now I can get to measuring and cutting. Okay. Got it set up to where hopefully I will be able to get all this strapped down. So yeah, basically I just need to cut plasterboard to fit in the back of these. Okay, I'm back. I'm realizing I should probably put this on the outside to stop stuff getting caught in the spokes. So let's do that instead. Okay, well, I'm on the floor now. Might help if the lid weren't in the way. And that's somewhere good enough. Alright, got a different knife that's a lot sharper, so this one should be able to do this. There we are. Now I just have to figure out how tall I need this to be. How the heck did I cut that so perfectly? I literally cut that exactly in half by eyeballing it. That's wild. Okay. Yeah, myself, whatever. Alright, let's find some zip ties and put these puppies on. Let's do this. Alrighty, and then the other side. Damn it. I tightened that one too much. Let's cut all these long ends off. And let's throw my bag on and see how it looks. That is like perfect. That is on there so nice. And it's not getting in my wheel. It's not getting in my derailleur. I fudged this side up a little bit, but it's fine.